What's up guys, how you doing? I hope you guys are well. Welcome to another video, and today we're looking at the new external microphone adapter for the DJI Osmo Action. Something which I've certainly been waiting for. I know a load of people have, and you guys have heard me in my other videos when I've talked about the Osmo Action, talking about the biggest issue for me, along with the lag that we all know about, but the fact that you can't use an external microphone. So I was really pleased when I saw this in the DJI store online on the website. Really excited that it's come out, and I had to purchase one so I could make a video for you guys. I certainly hope you enjoy it. Like I said, I've ordered the microphone especially so we can make it. The only thing I'm going to ask in return for you guys is two things. Number one is to please like the video. You just have to hit that little thumbs up button. It's right around there somewhere. Go and do that for me. Helps me out so much on the channel, and I really appreciate it. The only other thing I ask from you guys is to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That one's more like this side. Just go hit that one for me. That's the red one. It says subscribe on it. So if you can't find that button, I'm surprised that you managed to log onto a computer to use YouTube in the first place. I'm sure you're going to find that one. Go do those two things for me. It will help me out loads. Right, let's get into it. Going to be a great video. Let's go. So here we have the new external microphone adapter for the DJI Osmo Action. Now this appeared in the store, I think probably about a week ago. I actually didn't realise it was there. Somebody commented on one of my recent videos and told me it was there. Really appreciate that, thank you. So I went and bought it straight away so I could test it out. Now it actually looks like it's made by a third party, this company called Cynova, however you say it. It says it's made for Osmo Action, but it's an official item. It's for sale in the actual DJI store, so I wasn't worried about like the authenticity of it or whether or not it was going to work or anything like that. So we've ordered it. I think it costs about it's $39. So those of you guys in the UK, it works out a bit cheaper in pounds, like £34, probably something like that. First thing we need to do is unbox it. I haven't even opened the box yet. It's still got the plastic seal on the top. So let's do that right now so we can have a look and see what's inside. Okay, so it's got a little plastic seal in here. Take that off. I guess this comes out. Nice little, like very reminiscent of an actual DJI product. How do we get this open? Out the top. And there it is. So it's a fairly simple little setup. It actually doesn't look like I probably thought it was going to look like. I mean, it's the videos that people showed of like a demo kind of prototype one was like a funny kind of long thin thing, which this isn't. So obviously it's got the bit where it actually plugs into the Osmo Action. Your microphone port down in here. It still maintains the slot to be able to plug in, I guess, your charger or whatever. It'd be interesting to see if you can charge through this into the camera. We will test it out. Let's have a look. Let's plug it into the actual camera and let's see how it looks. Okay, so all you have to do, guys, you have to take off the little flap on the side, but that just clips off, right? So that's real easy. And then the actual thing slots into the side like so, and that is it in the side. For those of you who are wondering, just like I did, it has enough clearance that you can still put the cage around it. Let's do that right now so you can see. There it is with the cage around it. So let's get a bit of autofocus on the go here. There we go. So you can see it just slots in through the hole in the side, and then of course the actual slot where you plug your microphone in is on the back. So that's how it looks. That's what it looks like. I think the most important thing here though, right, is to see the sound quality and see whether or not it actually makes a difference. So let's give it a go. Okay, so I'm hoping you guys can still hear okay, because I'm now using the in-camera mic on the DSLR, because my Rode mic is going to be used to plug into this. So first things first, I just tested this, and something which is really interesting is when we don't lose the screen, is that it's definitely picking up the external mic. Because if you watch up here in the top corner of the screen, when we plug this in, you've watched that top corner scene, see that, look? The microphone kind of symbol appears to show that you plugged it in. Now it's... Oh, it's interesting. It disappears when it's plugged in. Oh no, it's back. It's fine. It's just got turned it, and you can see that's definitely picking up audio because as I tap the mic, you probably can't quite make it out on the screen, but that thing is actually kind of moving. It's jumping up and down on the screen here. Let me try and get you a closer look so you can see what I mean. There we go. So a slightly closer look. You can see up on the top of the screen here, there's this little microphone symbol, and you can see that when I tap the mic, it is jumping up and down. I think you can probably make that out on your screens. You can see that as I tap it, it's moving up and down. So that is definitely registered. And when I unplug it, you can see that symbol goes. So it's definitely registering the microphone, which is good because everyone else who've been testing all the third-party ones, it was not working. And just quick, for those of you guys wondering exactly what we're going to be using to test it, I've got the Rode Video Micro plugged in. That's the mic we're going to use to test this because that is the mic that I would use with an external mic on this camera. The only thing I realised I haven't done is I haven't bought, I'd intended on buying a new cage where you can actually mount this on the top, and I haven't done that yet. Well, I say I've actually done it now, I've ordered one, but I don't have it yet. But I wanted to get this video out for you guys, so we're going to do it without it. I will just kind of hold it next to the camera for the purpose of doing this. Right, let's test the audio on this and see how it comes out. Okay, so we are on the DJI Osmo Action. So now, first of all, I should say, right now, this is just the in-camera mic. I haven't attached the external mic yet, because I think it's important that we compare the two, right? So right now, this is the volume. We're doing the test and we're doing the sound check without the external microphone attached. So right now, we've got no external microphone. Now let's change it to the mic and let's see if we notice a difference. And there we go. This is now with the microphone attached. So with the microphone attached, we're doing the new check with the microphone attached, the new attachment for the DJI Osmo Action. I hope the sound is better. Let's just test it again. This is with the mic, without the mic, without the mic, and back to the mic again. So this is with the microphone attached. Now this, I'm just holding it right now, kind of like as I normally would if I was walking around and filming myself. But let's try and do it from a little bit further away. Let's try a couple of different sort of sound environments to see how it compares from a bit further away when I'm not right next to the camera. Let's give that a go now. Okay, so we're out here in my conservatory, testing it from quite far away. This is without the microphone attached, so no microphone attached right now. And let's change it to the microphone. And now that's with the microphone attached, so the microphone is attached again now. And there we go. So that's how it sounds when you've got the microphone a little bit further away, or the whole camera a little bit further away. But that sound check is probably less important than the first one, because this is kind of how I would set up the camera. Generally, when I'm going to use it, when I want to attach a microphone, will be when I'm doing more of the kind of vlogging sort of style stuff, which is exactly how I've got it set up right now. So the microphone is back attached again now. Just one last test for this before we go and listen to it and go and check out the footage. This is with the microphone right now. And then we switch without the microphone, so no microphone right now, and back to the microphone again. So that's with the mic right there. Right, I'm excited to see this because I genuinely haven't tested it in advance and then filmed this. Let's go upstairs, let's go listen to the video, let's go check it out, and let's see how the sound difference compares. I'll see you guys in the office. So we didn't actually go up to the office at all. I decided to use my laptop right here in my living room, so I did it down here because it was a lot easier. So yeah, look, I've just listened to both sets of footage that you guys have just watched, and I think there's definitely an improvement, like a marked improvement in the sound quality when you use the mic adapter. So it's really, really good. I'm really pleased that it works. Certainly something which I will be using. I'm going to buy the proper cage for it so you can mount it on the top. I shall be using this for kind of like my vlogs, and it's going to make it a lot easier for some of my sports photography videos when I'm out and about trying to film myself like actually on a job or on site somewhere, so I can film that action behind the scenes for you guys. So look, it definitely works. Really, really pleased. If you guys are interested in buying this item, definitely recommend it. Go check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description below, which will take you straight to the store to get hold of it. In the meantime, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button. Comment below if you've got one of these adapters. Let me know if you tried it. I certainly hope to hear the detail back from you guys too. And we'll be back real soon. More sports photography videos on the way. I'm filming 2 sports photography videos this weekend. So those of you guys with the hardcore sports fans, don't worry. We're not going to lose that theme on the channel. Guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.